Hi everyone, it's Marco Rostam again. In today's episode, we are going to look at another project file from my latest sample pack, Progresso. In my pack, you will find the most accurate project file you ever see, so you can achieve the sound your favorite producers are using. Also, in this pack, it has 15 project files, so you will learn all these 15 styles very fast. Link is in the description down below. Alright, let's go guys, dream comes true. Okay, let's take a look at the lead first. We have quite a lot of layers. Without the effects. With it. For the bass, we have 2 layers. For the chords, we have 4 layers. Let's take a listen. And we have some arps. Together. Here we have another piano. Then for the drums, we have some kicks, claps, snares, another one, some tambourine, and some atmosphere layers, some piano lifts, another atmosphere layer, down lifter, and a vocal hey. All together. Here we have a down lifter. For the second part of the drops, we have 2 new elements. Another arp, and hi-hat loops. All together. Again, we have a down lifter. That's it for today's episode. I hope you learned something from it. And if you want to get this project file, make sure to check the link down below. Alright, have a good day or night. I will see you in the next episode. Peace.